In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a design from scratch using Canva AI as a complete beginner on your mobile phone. Let's click the AI icon. We will choose a design which is designed for me, and the design type is social media. And we're going to select the format we want to design, which is going to be a YouTube banner. Now we are going to add an image by clicking on the plus sign. Click upload files. Let me select the image I want to add, and I'll select the second one, and I'll click on done. I would upload that to my media library, and I'll select one image and say use image, and I'll paste my prompt, and I'll click on enter. This is the prompt I used, which I copied from my client's YouTube channel description. You can literally use any AI writing assistant like ChatGPT to write your prompt. It has generated our designs, and if you swipe, you'll see all the 4 designs it generated. But I'm going to go ahead and click on more designs, and it gave me another sets of design, which I went through them, and I think I liked the previous one it gave me better. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the previous one, and when it opens you can see the design, and I'm going to click on use on Canva editor. I'll click on the text box and click the 3 dots and click on select multiple, and I'll select my second element, which is the image, and I'll close out, and I'll go over to layers to see how these 2 elements are positioned. When I saw it, I went ahead and closed that out and grouped this element. Then I went back to position and centered the design. And what I did next was to go back to layers and take this element up to go over the image. Now I will click on the image in the frame and click on select, and I will select the foreground, and I'll click on adjust and go to auto adjust, and it's adjusted. Now I'm going to go over to share and click on download. I'll take the size slider to the highest for high resolution and click on download. Now we are going to go over to my client's YouTube studio, and I'll click the face icon at the top right, and I'll click on the pen icon. Click the banner icon to add the banner we just created. Let's select that. We are going to go ahead and pinch it with our 2 fingers to make it fit in, and we'll hit save. Now this is our YouTube banner. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.